Side-by-side refrigerators are worth considering if you're looking for a refrigerator with ample space, easy organization, and a sleek, contemporary design. With fresh food on one side and frozen products on the other, these refrigerators are ideal for families, busy kitchens, and anyone who enjoys seeing everything at eye level. The top side-by-side refrigerators available today are listed in this video, each with a unique combination of clever storage, potent cooling capabilities, and practical daily functionality. These models are designed to make life easier, featuring tall dispensers, concealed ice makers, fingerprint-resistant surfaces, and bright LED interiors. Now let's explore the best options and choose the one that best suits your house. Number 7. Frigidaire 25.6 cubic foot. The Frigidaire 25.6 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator is made for those who prefer a roomy and user-friendly layout. You can now fill those large bottles without tipping them sideways thanks to its tall water and ice dispenser. Another good feature is the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel surface, which keeps the exterior looking tidy even when the rest of the kitchen gets busy. The even temp cooling system works hard inside to maintain a constant temperature. Your food stays fresher and you have less freezer burn since it continuously circulates cold air. The adjustable gallon door bins and detachable glass shelves provide you with a lot of options when it comes to grocery organization, and the bright LED lighting makes it easy to see what you need. Fruits and vegetables stay crisp thanks to the 2 crisper drawers, which is always beneficial. The large capacity ice maker is one feature you'll value. You won't run out of ice on hot days or during family get-togethers because it holds a lot more than most of its rivals. Additionally, the integrated water and ice filtration system is excellent. It helps lower pollutants and provides you with cleaner, tastier water. Of course, no fridge is perfect. Since it's a standard depth model, it does stick out more than a counter depth design, and the side-by-side arrangement means bigger goods sometimes need moving. But generally, it's a reliable, capacious fridge with smart features that make daily living easier. Number 6. Whirlpool 24.6 cubic foot. The Whirlpool 24.6 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator is made for those who don't want to overthink things and prefer straightforward, useful storage. You immediately see how simple it is to maintain organization. The gallon-sized door bins are quite useful because they can be adjusted up or down to accommodate large drink bottles or anything heavy that you need to get to quickly. The humidity-controlled crisper keeps fruits and vegetables fresher rather than drying out, and the wall-to-wall glass shelves within give you extra useful room. Convenience is increased with the external ice and water dispenser, especially with its brilliant LED night light for those late-night treks to the refrigerator. Additionally, the freezer's integrated ice machine maintains a consistent supply of cubes. Additionally, everything is easily visible thanks to the LED illumination throughout, preventing objects from being lost in the back. There are undoubtedly some benefits. The electronic temperature settings are simple to operate, the fingerprint-resistant surface keeps the outside appearing clean, and Whirlpool's solid reputation for dependability adds even more peace of mind. Another clever feature is the adaptive defrost technology, which helps maintain optimal freezer conditions by only operating when necessary. However, this model lacks several more sophisticated features, such as smart networking and superior air filtration. Additionally, there are no additional temperature-controlled sections or deli drawers. Overall, though, this Whirlpool model is a great choice if you're looking for a durable, spacious, and simple side-by-side refrigerator that can easily manage daily needs. Number 5. Hisense 29.1 cubic foot. The Hisense 29.1 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator is designed for people who enjoy having more room and detest having to rearrange their items to fit. Convenience and compactness are key components of this refrigerator. You won't have to worry about running out of space, whether storing weekly groceries, large family meals, or even those giant Costco runs, thanks to one of the largest capacities available. Because they are deeper than typical drawers, the ultra-space drawers are particularly useful for organizing vegetables and frozen goods. The indoor ice maker, which increases the amount of usable freezer space, is one feature that sticks out. Additionally, the ultra-tall water and ice dispenser is incredibly useful if you frequently fill reusable bottles because it can accommodate bottles and tumblers up to 10 inches tall. You may organize anything as you see fit thanks to the gallon-sized door bins and movable glass shelves. The digital touch control makes controlling the temperature easy, and the all-around LED illumination inside makes it easy to view every inch. Naturally, no refrigerator is flawless. Even though it lacks smart capabilities like Wi-Fi and humidity-controlled crispers, it nevertheless does a great job of covering the necessities. It is intended for users who desire a large capacity and simple functionality without superfluous additions. It also looks clean with less effort because of the fingerprint-resistant stainless coating, which is a pleasant plus. All things considered, this Hisense model is an excellent choice for large families or anyone who appreciates room, ease of organizing, and useful features in a contemporary, dependable design. Number 4. Samsung 27.4 cubic foot. The Samsung 27.4 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator is designed for individuals who desire ample room and a simple, contemporary design. You can tell right away how spacious it seems. You can keep weekly shopping, leftovers, and large containers without packing them all in, thanks to the revised interior. Additionally, the gallon-sized door bins are really useful because they make it simple to swiftly grab drinks and free up shelf space. The all-around cooling system is one of the most notable characteristics. Cool air circulates via vents on each shelf to keep everything uniformly chilled rather than creating a single chilly spot. Another clever feature is the indoor ice maker. You don't lose freezer space because it's hidden inside the door, and the exterior dispenser still provides cubed or crushed ice. The LED lighting inside the dispenser brightens every nook and cranny so nothing is lost in the rear, and the touch display is easy to use. If you have children who frequently open the refrigerator doors, the fingerprint-resistant surface is a terrific way to keep it looking clean with minimal effort. Additionally, you have 2 transparent drawers that make it simple to quickly arrange fruits and vegetables. There are trade-offs, of course. This model does not have a deli drawer or humidity-controlled crispers, nor does it include smart features like Wi-Fi or app compatibility. All things considered, though, it's a great option if you're looking for a roomy, fashionable, and user-friendly refrigerator that concentrates on the necessities and maintains your food's uniform cooling and organization. Number 3. GE 25.3 cubic foot. Designed for daily usage, the GE 25.3 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator has a roomy layout and is simple to operate as soon as you open the doors. You'll immediately note that the stainless steel is fingerprint resistant, which is ideal if you're sick of wiping away smudges all the time. Everything within is kept bright and accessible by the LED lights, including the things that are typically misplaced in the rear. Another major benefit is the edge-to-edge shelves, which give the refrigerator the appearance of being wider and allow you to store large patterns or tall containers without having to rearrange them awkwardly. You can easily identify what you need and keep large objects off the shelf with the help of the glass, movable door bins. Fruits and vegetables are also easy to arrange thanks to the 2 transparent storage drawers. You can get filtered water and crushed or cubed ice without opening the door thanks to the incredibly practical external dispenser. Additionally, the filtration system is robust, eliminating contaminants and even traces of medications from your ice and water. Naturally, no refrigerator is flawless. There's only one humidity-controlled drawer, which may restrict how you store vegetables, and the absence of smart connectivity may be a disadvantage if you enjoy app-controlled equipment. Overall, though, the refrigerator provides reliable chilling, good performance, and easy controls via its electronic display. Easy access ice, a low-profile ice maker, bright lighting, and a sleek contemporary appearance make it a dependable option for families seeking a refrigerator that is simple, spacious, and designed for practical use. Number 2. LG Craft Ice. The LG Craft Ice side-by-side refrigerator is a fantastic choice for busy homes since it combines design, clever features, and lots of room. The sleek flat door design and print-proof stainless steel, which prevents fingerprints and smudges, perfect if you don't want to wipe your refrigerator all the time, are the first things you notice. With well-lit LED lighting and well-organized shelves that make everything easy to discover, the inside is a spacious 26.6 square feet. If you prefer to see both fresh and frozen food simultaneously without having to bend over or search around, the vertical side-by-side arrangement is a great option. One of its greatest features is the dual ice maker, which creates regular cubes, crushed ice, and LG's renowned slow-melting craft ice balls, perfect for entertaining or cocktails. The external dispenser quickly and easily gives you clean, filtered water with each use. It is also smart-enabled, so you can check settings or control functions with voice commands using Google Assistant, Alexa, or the LG Think app. The refrigerator's hidden temperature panel gives it a clean look without sacrificing performance. Every appliance has trade-offs, of course. The side-by-side arrangement makes the freezer area feel a little cramped, and some people would prefer that there isn't a water filter indicator. However, the refrigerator compensates with door alarms, humidity-controlled crispers, adjustable shelves, Energy Star efficiency, and quiet, dependable cooling. All things considered, it's a chic, contemporary refrigerator full of practical features that make daily living a little bit easier and a little more enjoyable. Number 1. KitchenAid 20.85 cubic foot. The KitchenAid 20.85 cubic foot counter-depth side-by-side refrigerator is designed for those who prefer a fashionable built-in appearance without sacrificing functional space. The stunning signature signature platinum interior is the first thing you notice when you open it. Everything within glows thanks to the wood look accents, metallic trim, and panoramic LED illumination, making it easy to see ingredients, even those that are typically pushed to the back. Additionally, the layout is adaptable. 9 movable shelves and 8 door bins allow you to easily rearrange the area to accommodate tall bottles, big objects, or meal prep trays. The indoor ice system, which moves the ice bin into the door to free up shelf space in the freezer, is one of its most notable features. The external dispenser continues to provide clean, filtered water, cubed and crushed ice, and a convenient measured fill feature that allows you to select the precise quantity in ounces, cups, or liters. If you enjoy stockpiling fruits and vegetables, the humidity-controlled crisper and Preserva food care system help keep your produce fresher for longer. Convenient storage is further enhanced by small details like the wood look sliding tray. No appliance is flawless, of course. It lacks smart capabilities like voice assistant and app controls, and has less overall capacity than a standard depth refrigerator due to its counter depth design. However, the print shield coating, bright LED lighting, adjustable shelves, and clean contemporary design make it a stylish and dependable option for anyone looking for a refrigerator that looks beautiful, maintains organization, and functions reliably every day. This concludes our list of the best side-by-side refrigerators. Each one offers a unique combination of space, convenience, and smart everyday features to make your kitchen feel more organized and stress-free. Whether you want large storage, clever ice makers, or a clean, modern look, there is undoubtedly a fridge here that fits your lifestyle. If this guide helped you narrow down your option, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with anyone looking for a new refrigerator. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.